We're here on Offsite Dirt. I'm your host, Audrey Grabesic.
And I'm Kent Anderson with Wesco International's Manufactured Structures Group. It's great to be here, Audrey.
Thank you for being here. We love having your guests. And who do we have today?
We have a really special guest. We have Stephen Embree with Geberit on the line with us. Thanks for joining us, Stephen.
Thanks, Kent and Audrey. It's great to be here.
What are you seeing in the offsite construction industry? What's happening with your company in that arena?
Well, you know, Audrey, we've been around 100 years and based in Europe, and because the offsite and the modular construction industry has really evolved in Europe much more rapidly and is much more sophisticated, we've had some great advanced training on what's needed in that particular space. So we have some unique features that our product really lends itself to in that type of application.
That's right, absolutely. And Geberit makes wall carrier plumbing systems for wall-mounted toilets, wall-mounted lavies, and that kind of application. And as Wesco and Geberit started talking together and really discussing the off-site market, we realized quickly that we could bring a great synergy together between our ability to distribute to all the production manufacturers and Geberit's ability to make a really high quality product that leads to a really fast and simple installation both in plant and out in the field.
Great points, Kent, and that's what we're hoping to capitalize on. Wesco's extensive connections within the industry are a great venue for us, and again, our partnership has really facilitated that. So when you're talking about moving large modular boxes and making them into a building, it gets to be challenging trying to put all that together and connecting plumbing. And the Geberit system allows that to be done on site and with a lot of in-plant preparation in order to make it a much more seamless process.
Absolutely. Moving things faster to certificate of occupancy. That's the goal.
Great point, yes, and that's what everybody's trying to get to. Time is money, as we know, and certainly the one thing that Offsite focuses on is how does that incorporate more or less time and more money, and again, occupancy is where everybody wants to get to.
And that's one of those things about Wesco and about our partnership with Geberit, is just making life easier for the modular construction opportunities.
And there you go. That's Offsite Dirt, bringing you another interesting fact about offsite solutions with Wesco.